Use a clear plastic shield or a modified original cap to contain splatter when recharging aerosol cans. When recharging aerosol cans, start by working outdoors or in a well-ventilated area to limit inhalation of vapors. Wear chemical-resistant gloves and safety goggles to protect skin and eyes from accidental spray. Take the original cap off a spent, identical nozzle and inspect the inner tabs. If present, carefully drill a centered hole slightly larger than the refill nozzle stem and remove the tabs so the refill stem seats without forcing the cap. Trim a sheet of clear polyethylene from a food storage container into a circular shield with a small center hole and glue it under the cap rim so the shield projects forward to catch any sideways spray. Before connecting a refill, depress the can briefly away from yourself to confirm alignment and do a slow press when transferring propellant to minimize pressure spikes that cause splatter. After recharging, hold the can upright for 30 seconds and actuate the nozzle away from you to clear residual propellant in the valve before storing. Common mistakes include forcing mismatched caps onto the refill stem, which tears, seals, and sprays unpredictably, so always match cap diameters and, if needed, file the hole gradually until it fits snugly. Another issue is using brittle shields that crack and create sharp fragments. So use flexible polyethylene or polypropylene and smooth cut edges with fine sandpaper. People also often skip a test spray, which lets built-up pressure escape toward them. So always test at low pressure away from your body and wear protective gear. We run bighomeprojects.com to connect homeowners with local contractors and to help contractors find work through our listings and community. We also host a discussion community where we and others share practical tips, project photos, and vendor experiences.